What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, I'm gonna give you the pronunciation lesson. So, we're gonna talk about Punjabi word haha. If you don't know what is the haha, basically it is a H sound. All right. So mostly when it's like in the middle of the word, we don't pronounce it. We just skip it. But in the books, you would see this word in written. If I give you some examples like keheda, keheda means who, right? So we don't say keheda, we say keda. So we skip the H sound, right? The ha word, we skip it. Keheda and keda. You can see the difference, right? Another word, sohana. It means beautiful, but nobody says sohana. Everybody says sona, all right? In the books, it's written like sohana, but we say sona. Another word, kahli. Kahli means like a hurry. When you are in a hurry, right? You want to do something quickly, or you have less time, right? That time we do the hurry. So it is kahli, but we say kali, all right? Another word, chehra. Chehra means face, but we say chera. We don't say chehra. Mostly, even we don't use chera, we use just like a moon, right? Moon means also mouth, and in informal language, it's also mean your face. Sometimes if we are confused, then we ask again, then other person will say chera, right? So mostly we don't use chera, we say moon. Moon means in like a academic, it is like only your mouth, right? Your face means chehra or chera. But when we talk, we say moon. For example, if I give you example, मैं तेरे मुंह ते चपेड़ मारूं. It means I'll slap on your face. It doesn't mean I'll slap on your mouth. It didn't mean that, all right? So if somebody say मैं तेरे मुंह ते चपेड़ मारूं, maybe you heard it in the movie, something like that. So it means I'll slap on your face. Another word, महफल. So basically, it means like when you bunch of people or bunch of friends get together, right? You talk, you have a fun. So that means called a maple. I think it's kind of company, or it could be a party, right? If you want to say. So that's what it means, maple. But we say maple, right? In written, it's maple. It's H sound here, but when we say maple. Another word, vehel. Vehel means like when you are free, right? So in speaking, we just say veil, right? Menu belni. It means I'm not free. Another word, bahut. Bahut means like it could be a many, it could be a much, right? It depends on your sentence. So bahut. But when we speak, we say bahut. Did you notice I'm not like a pronouncing H sound? I'm not pronouncing haha. Sehat. Sehat means kind of your fitness, right? Sehat. But when we speak, we say set. All right. So that's guys. I hope you are enjoying your winter holiday. So keep enjoying. I'll be back with another lesson in another day. Basically in New Year. All right. So at the end, if you want to learn more about the Punjabi from me, then you can check out my links. Links are in the description.